Today, I'm fortunate enough to be sitting on this beautiful Boston Whaler 33 Outrage with twin Mercury 400 V10s. I know we've been through this, but I just want to reiterate how important it is to flush your engines out and take care of them. The flush cap, just like on all your other Verados, comes out of the side. You unscrew the cap, hook your garden hose up, turn the water on, let her flush through there for about 10 minutes. Do not start the engines, just let the water push through. It'll go through, it'll displace the salt water that's left in the engine block. And then of course, just like all the other outboards you got your trim and tilt button right there. As we come up here, you're gonna notice there's this little button, kind of like a lever. All I have to do is push in on that and voila, the door pops open. That allows me access to my dipstick and the oil fill. You don't have to take the cowlings off, you don't have to wrestle with them, you don't have to do anything. Just push the button. So now I just walked over to the next boat, which we've got a Whaler 325 Conquest. So this has got the Mercury 300 V8 Verados. So on this one, instead of that little lever that you push in, all you have to do is kind of give this like a little chest compression on the top of the cowling there, and then same deal. You got your dipstick, your engine fill. So if you had to take the cowling off like we've got next here, you push down on this little red button, and this handle pops up, it releases the catches. Then you can grab hold of this and pull the cowling off. That'll snap back down. You hear the click and goes there. So, I mean, it's been around a while, but it's ingenious. It just makes it so easy to check your oil and make sure everything's good so you don't have to take this whole big cowling off again like we used to back in the day. So, anyway, hope this quick little run through helps, and thanks for watching. Check out our YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys out on the water.